In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model a full quad guitar body under 4 minutes. I've created a full guitar modeling tutorial in the past, and this new tutorial introduces a new method of quickly creating a complex guitar body mesh that includes no nons. The non is face or polygon that is made up of 5 or more sides or edges connected by 5 or more vertices. The mesh is quad, and it can be subdivided without any issues. Let's add a mesh circle. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Add Mesh, Extra Objects. I usually press Alt-E to extrude along normals, but Mesh Circle doesn't have that option. We need to use the toolbar icon to do so. Let's use G to move the vertices one by one like this. When needed, Ctrl-R to add a loop cut. Let's Alt-select the outer edges, and E to extrude downward. F to fill. Ctrl-3 to subdivide, and Ctrl-R to place loop cuts. We're done. This complex mesh was created in less than 3 minutes. We can add more details by adding the solidify modifier and more loop cuts. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.